welcome back to channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Akshuti.
And I'm Shaurya.
And Shaurya, what are we doing today?
So today we're going to do a get personal tag. Now this challenge is going around on YouTube a lot and a lot of YouTubers are doing it, so we thought of doing that too. It's also called invade my privacy tag. So we have a list of questions right here which I'm going to ask or she's going to ask and we both are going to answer. And yeah, let's go.
Okay, so I'm going to start and I'm going to ask her any random questions from this list of questions and we both are not going to answer it, just one.
Okay. You remember I'll have to ask you back, so you better be safe that way.
Are you a social or an anti-social person?
It depends who I am around with. So if I have random strangers with me, I might look or feel or might give that vibe that I'm antisocial. But if I have people who I can gel along with, chill with, then I'm completely social.
But on an everyday basis, like, do you like socialize a lot or?
No, it's just you and me, na. So where do I?
So she's antisocial.
No. If you take me out, I'll talk to people.
Yeah,
but I'm not gonna be like, hey buddy, what's up? I missed you so much and where were you all my life? I'm not gonna do that.
okay, fine, you ask.
Do you think you can last in a relationship for 6 months and not cheat?
Oh my god. Not cheat? What? You know me and you're still asking me this. I would definitely not cheat. I've been in a relationship for like 6 years. I've lost count, so stop counting.
Yeah, what 6 months, man? Random questions.
Who was the last person you talked to before you went to bed last night?
I spoke to my friend Akanksha.
Liar.
No, I did. I actually did. I was speaking to her. She was asking me, and I was telling her stuff.
What about day before night?
That was you.
And day before?
That I don't remember.
Liar.
Okay. Do you think someone has feelings for you?
It's a very personal question.
But I'm gonna invade your privacy. That's the whole point.
So I know this one person has like deep feelings for me, but doesn't stay with me. It's Simba. So I know my brother is like taking him away from me and he has very strong feelings for me, can't even be with me, so I feel very sad.
And the worst thing is he can't express.
No.
He has to be in pain.
I know Simba. I know how it feels.
By the way, Simba is her dog. Just in case if you guys don't know. Simba is a cute, handsome German Shepherd.
It's not cutie bitter.
That's okay. I don't hold any grudges against Simba.
Do you think you'll be married next year?
Yeah, I guess. I would be.
Get ready.
Do you have someone of the opposite sex you can tell anything to?
If it's like completely anything over anything, then it's just Perleen. Otherwise, I have a guy best friend called Rohan, and I can like talk about a lot of shit with him because he's literally like a girl in
Oh shit!
Wait, I'm sorry Rohan, I'm doing this to you, but I need to tell people that you're so much like a girl. It's so easy for me to talk to you about stuff. So yeah, that's it. If the person you wish to be with were with you, what would you be doing right now?
Oh, so if I was in a relationship?
Yeah, let's assume.
Yeah. So if I was in a relationship, what would I have been doing right now on a Monday?
Think of a person you want to be with. And now if the person is with you, what would you be doing?
Right now on a Monday afternoon.
Should I leave the room?
No, I'm asking.
Yeah, what would you be doing?
Nothing. He'll be working, I'll be working. It's a Monday afternoon.
Such an ambitious guy you're gonna be with. Fine.
Sunday would have been a different story.
What if it was a Sunday?
Then I would be out with him having
coffee. at TBC at JW Marriott, but she's always doing that.
When was the last time you cried?
It's been a while. When did I cry? I cry a lot normally, like all my emotions come out through crying only. I'm a Cancerian and Cancerians are like very emotional. So, but I cried last time. Dude, I've become good at this. Like,
not crying.
Yeah, I mean, if I can't remember, it's good. Otherwise, I cry a lot. Shit, I must have cried. I'll tell you when I'll cry on my birthday for sure. Because Perleen is not there. I'm probably gonna miss him and cry. So let's just cover it with that.
Okay. So you will cry. This is your turn.
Very funny question. What are you sitting on right now?
Nothing.
Sit now.
I'm sitting on air.
What are you sitting on right now?
Her thigh.
Good job. Such a personal question, I tell you.
Is there any person you want to delete from your life?
Yeah, I mean, whoever I want to delete, I've already blocked. So whoever is blocked, you guys know you deleted.
It's done.
Done. That's a delete for me.
Oh,
No, I'm not talking about Instagram pe people who comment random shit and I blocked them. Not that. I'm talking about like my personal Facebook pe if I blocked somebody.
So what's that thing?
Bitch snap.
What is it?
A very personal question. What position do you like?
I like when the table. I like when I'm sitting on a table and the coffee mug is right in front of me. That's the best position I can think of.
Yeah, the coffee position.
Yeah.
Sitting on the desk coffee
Sitting,
position.
yeah. Amazing. It gets you the best feeling ever.
Yeah.
All you dirty people out there, it's because I like coffee. You also.
Are you talking about coffee only?
Yes, I'm just plain talking
She
about
really
coffee.
likes coffee.
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah. Name a movie which you've seen but you cannot tell anybody.
If I cannot tell anybody.
Yeah, so I'm invading your privacy. So it's not on this, but I'm gonna ask you this question. Have you ever seen a movie which you cannot tell anybody that you've seen it?
Okay. I cannot tell anybody, but I'm just saying it. You guys are not hearing this.
Yeah, okay.
So there's a movie called Teeth, which is all like a long time back, and that, you guys please. I mean, I know you all are kids, and this is bad, and you're not gonna go find the movie and Google what it's about. Okay? Don't do it. No, don't do it.
Okay.
What is the most hairy part of your body? And it's not your head. It shouldn't be your hair.
My brows.
Shouldn't be your head ka kuch bhi.
Head, na head. This is my face.
Pura.
No. Now you want to change your question.
No.
Now you cannot change your question.
She's not playing with me, right?
I'm going.
This is not how you play with me.
No. So she said head. She didn't say face.
I meant face.
I have amazing brows. My brows are
What else
fully-
is hairy? Tell me.
No, next question probably, but not this one. Have your pants ever fallen down in public?
So my pants haven't fallen off, but I've had like several wardrobe malfunctions. And one of those was then first time when I got a scooty and I was wearing a skirt and like a stupid, young schoolgirl, I didn't realize that if I go too fast on a scooty, my skirt's gonna go all over my face. So that happened, and
Shit.
then I was in Macau for. We went to a club and we were chilling, and there was a random foreigner there who. But I was wearing leggings, so.
Play it smart. So that's what na, you should always remember and you should learn from whatever's
Skirt
happening.
के अंदर कुछ पहनना हमेशा.
Exactly.
What would you do on your wedding night?
Considering I'm a Brahmin, so what's gonna happen with me is at 3 a.m.
She's gonna do puja party.
Yeah, at 3 a.m. I'd be around that thing. So
I'm sorry, whoever it is you marrying. I'm sorry for him.
So I'll be taking fairas on my wedding night. So that's what I'll be doing.
By then you'll sleep.
3 a.m., 4 a.m. if I'm doing fairas, and then after that I'll have my vidai, तो morning हो जाएगी ना फिर.
That's it.
If the person you like says they like someone else, what would you do?
Like.
If the person, considering you're not married, okay?
Okay, I'm dating Berlin now.
Yeah. So if the person, no, let's just not keep Berlin in the picture, na? You're married
Okay.
now. So if just say someone you like said to you, baby, I like someone else.
So I'll be like, जा सिमरन जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. मैं उसको ट्रेन में चढ़ा के आ जाऊंगी.
That's it.
Yeah, man. I can't put myself in that condition. I don't know.
Okay, I'll give it to you. You like me.
Give me what?
I'll give the condition to you.
Okay. Baby. एक तो baby भी बोल रही हूँ, ऊपर से मेरे मुंह पे झापड़ मारेगी अभी.
Focus. Baby, you know what? I actually like someone else.
जा सिमरन जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. I Yeah, I feel that only.
Oh shit, that was brutal. But it's okay, the guy would deserve it.
Oh my god. Please don't watch this video.
Yeah, we'll have like a disclaimer.
Yeah.
Kids are not allowed.
No.
Anyway, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. We tried to do the invade my privacy tag, and we actually did not follow the questions that were actually in there.
Those were boring. We
Yeah.
wanted to make it more intense.
We made our own questions. So we really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to
like, share and subscribe to our channel, Pretty Little Things.
Bye guys!